Hey, yo, y'all. Get from behind that rope. Needs to be straight.
On the right track to help students stay on the right track for graduation rate, but also beyond the diploma.
I'm real excited that Bourbonnais schools got in on this because we have a consistent message to the children and we're teaching them consistent things that are going to be helpful for their life. So this is just kind of like the icing on the cake.
One aspect of the program is the RC portion, which is for remote control cars.
Okay, hold it down until it bleeps 3 times.
We relate on the right track and all of the principles directly to racing a car. So life is like a race.
They're getting their cars together.
Yeah.
Someone is going to come in with all of the heats. They're going to start off in 4 heats.
Get set, go.
And they'll advance through the heats until there's a final race.
Good job, Aiden. Good job, guys. Go!
Are you on the right track? Are you in control?
Control is better than speed. So you can just let people take off and lose control and you just cruise right past them. So it'd be better to just have control and not try to be the fastest.
Are you wasting your power? Are you doing the right thing to repair yourself? And they look at this in real world with using the car. And what happens when you're not in control of your car? You wreck. If you're not in control of your life, what happens to your life? And what does a wreck look like? So those are the types of principles that they hear every day. And we're seeing it make a big difference in their life.